Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger. Music doesn't work on story. Do you know how to fix or how to solve Messenger doesn't work on story? You should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will search about Messenger and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.